Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Today we are going to do the unit number 6 of English colors from the book We Learn English Oxford. Okay, open your books. Unit number 6, colors, animals and birds. Ahmed's hobby. Okay, let's start the reading. Ahmed likes to draw and color pictures. The three main colors that he uses are red, blue and yellow. Ahmed mixes colors to get new colors. First Ahmed makes red and yellow to make the color orange. After that he makes blue and yellow to make green. And in the last he is mixing red and blue color to make purple color. So students, by this way, by mixing of two colors, we can make a new color with the help of this chart. Red and yellow. After mixing the red and yellow, we will get the orange, and after blue and yellow mixing, we get the new color green, and when we add the blue and red color, we will get the new color purple. Okay, come to the next page. Animals in the zoo. Nasir and Neha go to the zoo. They see many animals. Nasir tells Neha many things about the animals. The lion is called the king of the jungle. The lion is called the king of the jungle. The giraffe has a long neck. The deer can run very fast. The monkeys like to eat bananas. Here are the pictures of these animals: lion, bear, monkey and giraffe. Okay, now come to the next page. In this page we are going to read a poem, Colors. Blue is the sky where birds fly. Green is the grass on which I pass. Red is the car that takes before. Yellow is the sun smiling at the fun. Very interesting poem. Okay students, now it is the activity time. Number A is complete these tasks. The first one is underline the words that rhyme. Okay, you can see here sky and fly. They both are rhyming words. Grass, now underline the grass and pass. Car, for. Sun, fun. The question number 2 is name the colors of these things. Grass. Grass is the green color. So you have to write here green. Write GREEN, green. Sky is blue. So you have to write here blue. BLUE, blue. Car, F for. Car is red. So you have to write here RED, red. and the sun is yellow. So you have to write here yellow, YELLLOW, yellow. Now come to the next page, describing things. When we have to describe anything, we use adjective. Adjective is a word which helps us to describe the things. यानी हमने जब किसी चीज़ के बारे में बताना होता है तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? एडजेक्टिव, यानी उसकी कोई क्वालिटी. द कार इज़ रेड. द कार इज़ रेड and small. The word red and small is the adjective of this car. These words help us to describe the car. The duckling is yellow and soft. The yellow and soft words are describing words. Adjective. The ball is tall and fat. The boy is tall and fat. Tall and fat are the describing words, are the adjectives. The boy is thick and old. Sorry, the book is thick and old. By these words, thick and old, we can describe the book. The box is round and big. The box is round and big. And you can see in this line, with the help of these words, round and big, we can explain the box. The underlined words are describing words or adjectives. As I told you, the red and small are the describing words, and these words are also called the adjective. In this page, red, small, yellow, soft, tall, fat, thick, old, round and big, all these words which are underlined are describing words or adjective. Now it's writing time. Hold your pencils and start writing. Use a describing word for the given picture. For the given picture. A fat boy. A fat boy. A space, one finger space रखेंगे, फिर लिखेंगे FAT fat and BOY boy, a fat boy. Fat is the describing word. A yellow flower. Yellow is the describing word. A big tree. A big tree. The big is describing word. Fat, yellow and big are the describing words. Now come to the next page, and the question B is, can you name 3 things that are red? Write here apple. APPLE, apple. The next word TOMATO, tomato. TOMATO, tomato. And write in the third line carrot. CARROT, double R O T, carrot. Number C, write the color under each picture. Now write under the leaf. Which color is this? Green. The leaf is in green color. So you have to write here green. 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 In the next picture, the color is yellow. The duck is in yellow color. So write here the spelling of yellow. YELLOW, yellow. The shirt is in blue color. So you have to write here blue. BLUE, blue. Number D is draw your favorite toy and color it. Name your toy and write 2 words to describe it. In this question you have to draw a picture of your favorite toy and then after drawing that, color it, name it and write 2 words to describe it. There are some lines are given to you. In these lines you have to write the sentences. This question will be done by yourself. Okay, now come to the next page. The water animals. Okay, let's start the reading. Nasir and Neha look at the fish in the aquarium. They see a jellyfish, a starfish, and a seahorse swimming around. Fish live in water. They have fins which help them to swim and gills which help them to breathe. The fins helps them to swim and the gills helps them to breathe. Now help Neha to color these fish. So students, you have to color these pictures by yourself. And now come to the next page. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's a poem. Okay, let's read this poem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which one did it bite? The little one on the right. Okay, now it's activity time. Underline the rhyming words. Underline the rhyming words. In the last 2 lines, in the first 2 lines, 5 and alive. 5 and alive. In the 5th line, you can see go. Go, and in the next line, so. Underline these words. And in the last 2 lines, you can see at the end, bite and write. These are also rhyming words. Bite and write. So you have to underline these words: 5, alive, go, so, bite and write. Now this is the time to do the exercise work. Which should be done in your copies. So take out your copies and write the unit and the topic and then start the copy work. First you have to write the first word's meaning, and the first word is tall, and the meaning of tall is high. The second word is big, and the meaning of the big is large. And write the third word old, and the meaning of old is ancient. Okay, now you have to write the words and sentences. Make sentences of your own using these words. The first word is small, and the sentence of small is I have a small pencil. The second word is fat. The second word is fat. My cat is fat. The third word is soft. My chair is soft. Okay, now write the question and answers. The first question is, where does fish live? Where does fish live? Fish lives in the water. Fish lives in the water. The next question is, what is the color of the sky? The answer, the color of the sky is blue. The color of the sky is blue. Now one more question, you have to write it in your copy. Write a list of colors. The first color is red, yellow, green, blue, white, black, purple and orange. You have to write all these rainbow colors. Red, yellow, green, blue, white, black, purple and orange. Some colors are of rainbow colors. Okay, after writing these color names, you have to paste the coloring tags in the copy. Okay. Okay students, your today's unit number 6 has been done now. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.